As technology continues to shape our world, businesses in various industries are confronted with intricate hurdles. However, there is a solution. Asset intelligence, commonly known as AsInt, can unleash the full potential of your operations. Welcome to AsInt, where we empower businesses with cutting-edge software applications that revolutionize their operations. AsInt stands at the forefront of innovation, offering tailor-made solutions for industries such as oil and gas, chemical, petrochemical, semiconductor, and many more. Our modern approach ensures that our applications are readily available in various app stores and delivered via secure, cloud-based development. Harnessing the power of SAP Intelligent Asset Management, Business Technology Platform, HANA, and Enterprise Asset Management, we tackle the most pressing challenges faced by operators. Our suite of applications addresses critical issues like condition monitoring locations, risk-based inspection data management systems, and so much more. Safety is paramount, and we provide cutting-edge solutions for corrosion under insulation, high-consequence areas, process hazard analysis, and safety lifecycle management. But we are more than just a provider of powerful applications. AsInt offers top-tier software consulting services to help businesses navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology. Our highly experienced team of consultants dives deep into your business's processes, identifying areas for optimization and growth. Moreover, AsInt provides unparalleled enterprise asset management support, ensuring that your systems operate at peak performance. With seamless integration of our native apps within the SAP solution stack, we help you manage your assets efficiently and effectively. So are you ready to take your business to new heights with asset intelligence? Connect with us today for software consulting and EAM support and unlock the full potential of your operations. Go to www.asint.net or send an email to info@asint.net for more information.